Mark here with ShootingTargets7. I'm going to do a quick demonstration here of assembling our NRA silhouettes. I'll use this little guy here. First you insert the bolt into the hole there, then insert the nylock nut just on the very end there. You can see what I'm doing there. I'm putting those tabs in the holes and I just kind of rock it over on the flats there of the nut. And I'll stop it here and zoom in for you. And then I use an impact wrench here. That's the best, easiest way to do it. Of course, you can use a wrench as well, and you'll need to do that for all of your paddles. And there you go. That's all there is to it. This is the part that most people get confused about, but it's really quite simple. And the rest of the assembly is very, very easy. You should easily be able to figure it out simply by looking at these images. One thing that is important is that you splay the legs outward at the bottom as is shown here. Once you do that, the target system will be extremely stable. That's it for this one, guys. As always, let freedom ring.